Time for another holiday recipe. This is another one I grabbed from my mother-in-law's cookbook. She made this a lot for Robert. Robert used to take this to church functions all the time. My sister makes it a lot, but I kind of think she uses a pre-made dill spice package. We're gonna blend spices together. So that's nutmeg. She's feeling a little needy right now. What do you need? Nope. Nutmeg. Get down. Oh, you are being a bad kitty. Let's try that again. So the recipe is 16 ounces of sour cream, 1 1/3 cup mayo, 2 tablespoons dill. I have dill weed, it's pretty much the same thing. 2 tablespoons Buie Mondi. If you haven't heard of this, you can find it at Walmart. It's just like a spice blend. I don't know the exact spices. You can also Google it and blend. I think it's like 3 different seasonings. So if you don't want to buy this, you can always make your own. And then let's see what else. Parsley, 2 tablespoons parsley, and then 2 tablespoons onion flakes. I make my own. This is my own dehydrated onions. Gonna mix all that together and then refrigerate it for 2 hours. You could technically eat it right away, but it's one of those dips that I think it tastes better if you allow all the spices to blend together. Now we're gonna mix everything together and refrigerate it for a couple hours, or until dinner time, or until I get really, really hungry. It looks really good and it tastes really good, but it'll taste even better after a couple hours in the refrigerator. I just picked up a rye bread bowl. So if you're serving the dill dip at a party, then you just take your bread bowl, cut out the middle, scoop out some bread. You can put your dill dip in there and it'll have a nice presentation. But it's just me and my husband, so all we're gonna do is cut the rye bread into chunks and dip it into the dill dip. So it would make a really good, nice presentation. And we're lucky that our local grocery store has these really nice bread bowls. Robert cut up the rye bread, and I made us individual plates of rye bread and dill dip, and then we're just having meat and cheese. Simple dinner, but this is what I love about the holidays. This is like holiday food that I feel like we have to eat this in December.